In front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Then select Printing and click on Default Print Service. Lastly, just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use a different service, disable this one first by tapping on blue switcher at the top. Go back, hit Add Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Then click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!